Well, I'm gonna have to put the DR back on the lift one more time. I should have lubricated my swing arm when I was changing out that shock. Oh well, let's get this wheel off. I can still get to it. Now it's just a matter of popping these covers off and pulling out the swing arm axle. Also take this chain guard off so we don't have to fight it the whole time. Now we can knock out that axle. I also took off the bottom shock assembly. Now that we have the axle out, we can pull it out far enough to get to the pivot bearings. Now we just have to pull out the race and pack the bearing. Just keep on packing. Now with the race in, I can put some more grease on the outside, then throw the dust cover on. The grease will help hold it in place while we get it in. Now we just do the same thing to the other side. Now we just got to get the pivot axle in place. Now that the pivot point's tightened down and the shock's back in, we can put the back wheel on. Now we can reinstall our chain guide. Then once I finally figured out I put it on backwards, I put it on the correct way. And take it down and go for a ride. All the squeaks seem to be gone. Let's go for a test ride. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching the Maker Hack Shack.